Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Mr. Nikul and you are at the channel Cool Professor Nikul. Today in this video lecture we'll be covering the short topic of pharmacognosy, that is role of medicinal and aromatic plants in national economy and their export potential. So let's see the introduction of this topic. Human utilizes plants as medicines from ancient period of time, and medicinal plants are the major component of almost all indigenous or alternative systems of medicines. Medicinal aromatic plants are common elements in Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy, and other regional traditional medicines. Okay, so as per the ancient period of time, plants are used as medicines, and there are major components of all the alternative sources of medicines, and mainly aromatic and medicinal plants are the common elements of Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy, and other folk or traditional system of medicines. Nowadays, the demand of herbal medicine has been increased worldwide. Why? Due to growing recognition with common consideration that the plant-based medicines are safe, non-toxic, easily available, and affordable. Okay, why the demand of herbal medicine has been increased worldwide? Because there is a special focus over its safety, non-toxicity, and affordable and easily availability. And WHO has estimated that 80% of the population of developing countries rely on herbal medicines for the treatment. Means 80% population is depending upon the herbal system of medicines for its treatment of various kinds of diseases. Even modern pharmacopoeia contains more than 25% drugs which are derived from plant origin, and about 90% of medicinal plants used by the industries are from wild sources. Sustainable source of medicinal plants is through scientific cultivation of medicinal plants by collaborating with industry, farmers, or industry institute partnership. This approach not only preserves the biodiversity but also adds in national economy. Now let's see the international trade of medicinal and aromatic plants. So the herbal drug market is growing at an average rate between 20 to 30% annually, and the global market for herbal medicines currently stands over $60 billion annually, and the sale of herbal medicine is expected to get higher at 6.4% an average annual growth rate. See, and there are many countries in the world, either by considering the pricing criteria or by considering as green medicine, the herbal medicines are regaining their position. Now, African countries like South America, Zimbabwe, etc., relies on herbal medicines as Western medicines are more expensive that herbal medicines, while Germany has become a big fan of herbal medicines after the thalidomide tragedy in that country. Single Germany imports more than 150 Indian medicinal herbs. See, 150 Indian medicinal herbs are exported from our country to Germany, which are costing more than 1,000 crores annually. And the present export contributes to 36,200 tons and valued over 24 million USD. From South Africa, annually 20,000 tons of medicinal plants are exported annually, which is worth over 43 million USD. Now, let us see the economic growth potential. Globally, the medicinal plants and aromatic plants are promising to the enormous economic growth potential. USA leads the market, followed by Europe and Japan, and the world demand the herbal concentrates and herbal extracts for food, cosmetic industry, which has been shifted from 0.76 million USD in 1997 to 3 million USD in 1999. See how the range has been shifted just in 2 years. Globally, phytocosmetic market has been estimated to be 266 million billion USD in 2015. However, the importance of medicinal and aromatic plants in the national economy and their potential for rapid growth of herbal products in India have been emphasized from time to time. Now, new trends, as we all are trendy nowadays. So, as per the new trends and emerging in the standardization of herbal raw materials, whereby it is carried out to reflect the total content of phytoconstituents like polyphenols, which can be correlated with biological activity. The healthcare system are becoming more and more expensive. Therefore, we have to develop technologies, right, to introduce and integrate herbal medicine systems in our healthcare. Now, export potential of herbal drugs. 90% of formulations of Indian systems of medicines make use of various unprocessed herbs and medicinal plants. The availability of diverse medicinal plants and their wise use as a single or in combination in time-tested traditional medicinal system, which gives higher hand in the medicinal plant sector over the other countries. From the available plant species, more than more than one tenth of the plant species are used in the drugs and health products. China is the major exporter of medicinal plants, accounting to large percentage of the total medicinal plant export. And India ranks third globally in export, contributing one fourth only to China. Need of medicine is ever increasing worldwide, we all know. Presently, there is a shift of healthcare medicines towards the herbs and herb derived products, which gives a great opportunity for medicinal plant based industries. China, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Spain, UK, USA, which are the major marketplace for medicinal and aromatic plants. Indian trade value of herbal raw drugs in commercial demand is growing day by day. About 1,178 medicinal plant species are recorded in the practice of trade, while 242 plant species are recorded in the high annual trade. Expanding world markets for medicinal and aromatic plants are further opening up new opportunities, and medicinal plant cultivation and management therefore could become highly remunerative both in financial as well as in economic terms for small scale growers. And export of herbal drug stood over 13 or 1,34,500 million tons, which costs approximately 499 million US dollars. Okay, now let us see the strategies how to improve the trade of medicinal plants and their products, so that the export potential of herbal drugs may get increased. First is intensification or intensifying the research and development of medicinal and aromatic plants. Means we have to increase the rate of research and development in the field of medicinal and aromatic plants. Second is materials of proven safety, effectivity and quality need only to be exported. Means the medicinal plants and their products or aromatic plants which we are exporting should be proven safety, effectivity and quality, and those only need to be exported out. Then the second thing is cultivational technology of highly demanded exotic plants must be introduced in India to improve the trade of medicinal plants and their products in India. Last, that is phytomedicinal monographs for each of the medicinal plants, including information on physiological effects, efficacy, quality standards, and references needed to be developed. So this was in short the topic role of medicinal and aromatic plants in national economy and the export potential. Thank you.